Jack's ready again. Let's go. Here he goes. Oh, he stopped.
He needs to take a little break. Just a small crash, folks. Nothing to be scared of. Hangs out his shoe, loses his shoe.
Jack's a semi-pro biker now. Fixing his riding gear. He's got that shoe back on. Alright. We're ready to go again. You ready? Ready, Jack?
Jack's getting ready.
Ready, sir?
Ready? Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Whoa.
Whoa.
Back again. Let's go.
Big step. Now he breaks away and is in first. He's going fast. He's going to make it all the way to the fence.
Go, Jack.
Let's go, Jack. Oh, he makes it. He makes it.
Good job, Jack.
Wow, Jack. That must have been some hard work.
What do you have to say, sir?
My best race.